Factorize the following expressions completely. So for part A, we have 3 terms here, 1, 2, and 3. So we can use the cross method. 16b square. And then we put that other squared term, 1 over 9c square. And then positive 8 over 3bc. Okay, so 16b square, how do we achieve that? We can do 4b times 4b. And then 1 over 9c square, we can do positive 1 over 3c, positive 1 over 3c. And then we do this thing called cross multiplication. And we'll get positive 4 over 3bc, positive 4 over 3bc. And then when we add them up together, we just need to ensure that we get 8 over 3bc, which is correct. So for part A, 16b square plus 8 over 3bc plus 1 over 9c square. Now this will be equals to the two brackets here, 4b plus 1/3 c, 4b plus 1/3 c, and you don't even have to put it twice. Actually, you can just put one of the brackets with a square. Okay, so there's a final answer for part A. Now we go on to part B next. Alright, so for part B, there are 4 terms. So for such questions with 4 terms, we will employ the pairing method. Okay, so we have this first 2 terms, which we can take out a common factor of 2 and x as well. And the last 2 terms as well, we can take out 3 from here. So when you take out 2x for this first guy here, you are left with y. The second guy here, you are left with minus 4. Okay? Plus, now for this guy, you can take out 3. So when you take out 3, this is what happens. You get 4 minus y. Now the problem is, right now, we see this term and this term, they look very similar, but they're not exactly the same. They're opposites. So how do I make it exactly the same? 2x, y minus 4, minus 3. Just swap the signs. This will allow you to swap your 4 minus y to y minus 4. Now you can see that these two guys are common factors which you can remove. So y minus 4, 2x minus 3, this will be our final answer for part B.